Hey everybody, your friendly math tutor here with the Daily SAT Challenge, Sunday, August 2nd, 2026. This is a problem where, of course, there's other ways to do it. I am going to do the entire thing in Desmos, just because I think that's kind of cool sometimes to do an entire problem in Desmos, and just to also show you like the capabilities of it. So I just want to explain it before I hop over there and do that. I can find the equation of this line by using a table with these 2 points. That'll give me the slope. Then I'll know the perpendicular line is the negative reciprocal or the opposite reciprocal slope. And then I also know that this goes through the origin. So any line that goes through the origin is just y equals mx. So I'll know the slope. And then I am going to figure out the output of that line when x is -3. And then that'll be the answer. All right, so here's how we're going to do it all in Desmos without writing anything. I'm going to add a table first. And that table, I'm going to put the points 0, 4, and then the point 6, 0. And then I'm going to hit regression. The default is linear. So now what I have is I've got the slope of this line. If you are going to use Desmos a lot, you have to be pretty decent at converting fractions quickly in your head. So that negative 0.6 repeating is really negative 2/3. So that tells me that the slope of the line perpendicular would be positive 3/2. So I get y equals 3 over 2x. And I know that it's just that because it went through the origin. And then what I'm going to do is I am just going to graph the line x equals -3. And I'm going to see where that intersects here. And it's going to intersect at -3, -4.5. So just by doing all that in Desmos, I did not mean to do that. Let me zoom back out. And let me flip back over here to Desmos. So we now know the answer is -4.5. All right. Of course, you might have found the slope in your head and done this other ways and plugged in -3. I just wanted to show you the capability of the Desmos table, also with the graphing x to get that k value pretty quickly. All right. Hope that helped.